In this video, I will share with you my review of what I learned from using Honeygain and whether it is worth doing it to make money online. If you're looking for $10 a month without doing much, then it can be worth it. If you're expecting anything more, then you will be disappointed, and it's just a waste of time. Here are the primary methods you can make money with Honeygain. The first method is sharing bandwidth, which is roughly 20 cents per 1 gigabyte. You do need to do this on at least 3 devices to hit it, though. Having used it for a week, I have yet to cross 200 megabytes per day on a single device. The second method is to open the honeypot daily after sharing 15 megabytes of bandwidth. While you can earn up to 100,000 honey credits, which is $10, most of the time you only get 10 credits, which is worth 0.01 cent. The third method is to refer people by using your referral link, netting you $5 per referral, and they get $3. Good if you are actively promoting to your family, friends, pets, and strangers, but it does require constant work. The fourth method is through achievements, which you unlock when completing certain tasks. Can be inconsistent as not all achievements will give you honey credits. The last method is through content delivery, which nets an extra 14.4 cents per day if you can actually get access to it. I have been in queue for over 5 days so far, no dice. When you do get to the payout threshold of $20 and withdraw it via PayPal, 15% of that is taken for withdrawal fees. You can bypass the $20 threshold by signing up for Jump Task, though. In conclusion, getting referrals is the only way to go when it comes to making money online with Honeygain, while the passive income from sharing bandwidth is just extra chump change.